Hey man, that was some really great riding out there. Um, I actually have a local shop here. I noticed your bike was just squeaking a little bit while you were riding down that trail, hitting some of those jumps. It sounded like it could use a little bit of maintenance. We have a full service shop. We can repair, replace, and if you're looking to even upgrade the bike, we can help you out with that. Maybe you could bring the bike in on Monday, and we can take a look at what we can offer, see what the bike needs, and see maybe if you want to upgrade, we can take a look at that too. Does that sound okay to you? Awesome. We'll see you on Monday. Hey, thank you so much for coming in. It's always so great to come to a bike shop, look at all the sick bikes, the new stuff coming out. This is a great time of year to come in because we're getting all the new 2023 models in on the showroom floor, and all the new components and all that stuff are coming out, and everything's all the old stuff is on sale and all the new stuff is awesome to look at. And even if you want to purchase something like that, we can help you out there. So I noticed that your bike is a little old. Looks like it's maybe like a 2007, 2008. One of the great things about the newer mountain bikes is the geometry that just makes it so much smoother riding down the trails. It that front tire's out a little bit more. You have better traction, better grip, and it's not as uncomfortable when you're riding because you're a little more stretched out. This Rocky mountain bike here is not too expensive. It's about 2,500 bucks. It's got great components with Shimano components. This is a full suspension bike, and it would be a great fit for cross country, or even some, with some bigger jumps. So you can still have a lot of fun while you're riding, but you'll be super fast on those trails. Um, the full suspension on this, it's got a Fox suspension setup, Fox 34 on the front, and this Fox shock on the rear. Um, it would be super great, meet all those needs that you expressed to me, that you wanted to upgrade, a little more smooth ride, a little more comfortable. It would be, this bike would fit that, and it would be in your price range around that $2,500 to $3,000 range. So does that sound like something you'd be interested in looking at and taking for a test ride? Awesome. Okay, so how'd you like that ride? Was it pretty good? So it was a nice and smooth. The suspension was. I mean, you probably didn't even feel any of those bumps out on that road out there when you were riding, were you? Um, that's one of the great things about the full suspension. It does cost a little bit more, like you said. It's more expensive than the hardtail, but it's so smooth on the trails. All those little pebbles that you've always been feeling on that hardtail you're not gonna notice anymore. You're just gonna be gliding down that trail, and it's gonna be a lot more comfortable. It's gonna make it so you can ride that much longer. How did you like the um, 12 speeds on the back, the 1 by 12 system that it had? It's so nice. It's so great for your climbing. You can really um, shift into those climbing gears a lot faster and a lot smoother to help you get up those hills. You don't have to prepare as much as you have to on your bike with that 3x9 drivetrain, where you have to drop down on that front crankset and then drop also in the rear. It's just that rear cassette. You're downshifting to those bigger gears to get ready for the climb that's coming up. So all of these things, I mean, do they seem to you like they would be beneficial for you and help you increase your riding abilities, help you have more fun out on that trail? Man, I agree. It really makes a huge difference. When I made the upgrade, my riding increased significantly. I was less tired because of the way these gears work. I was less sore from that full suspension. The bigger tires, going from a 26 to a 29-inch tire, makes a huge difference. You're rolling a lot faster. It's going to change the way you ride. So let's see if we can get this paperwork written up and get you taken care of. All right. Right on. Thanks, man.